Assalamu alaikum students. Today our subject is spirit science, and our topic is healthy foods. Food give us energy, as you know. We are starting from here. Foods give us energy. Foods gives us energy. It means they make us strong, powerful. It helps us to grow. Yes, no doubt, food help us to grow very fast, to grow in a good way, to grow in a healthy way. Healthy food help us to become strong. Yes, healthy food always help us to become strong, powerful, and enhance our blood circulation in our body. That gives you nutrients to maintain your health. Yes, healthy foods give us nutrients to maintain your health, to maintain your body energy. There are a lot of fruits, and do you know fruits are very beneficial for our health? You must take one fruit on the daily basis. If you will take one one fruit on the daily basis, you don't need to go at the doctor clinics. Fruits are very beneficial for our health. And there is a egg. Egg is full of calories, 77 calories, 6 grams of protein. It means you must eat one egg on the daily basis at the breakfast time because it includes 77 calories. This is milk, and milk is also full of calcium and protein. Calcium and protein. You must take one glass of milk at the breakfast time to enhance calcium and protein in your body. Chicken is also lean meat. Lean meat. It is full of calcium. Chicken is also lean meat and it is full of calcium. Now vegetables. Vegetable increase blood circulation in body. There are different vegetables, and you must eat one vegetable on the daily basis like carrot, radish. These are very beneficial for our health. They make us strong, powerful. Fish is a good source of lean protein and make us strong, powerful. So student, you have to take all these foods in a week to enhance your blood circulation in your body, to make yourself strong, powerful. Food gives us energy. I'm revising from here. It helps us to grow. Yes, food gives us energy, and it helps us to grow. Healthy food always help us to become strong, powerful, and energyful. So, student, you must revise this topic at your home. Learn this in a proper way. Tomorrow I will ask about it. Take yourself. Allah Hafiz.